Welcome to the online tutorial classes for High Secondary School. I am Megha ma'am, and this video is for Class 6 Physical Science. The chapter what I will continue today is the common machines. In the last video, I have discussed about the basic idea of the machines and what is force and what is machine, the definition of the force and the machine. And today I will continue with this, and today I will discuss about the utilities of the machine. Utilities of So, without machine, we can't actually live. It is impossible to think our world without the machines. So, there are many examples which I had given you and discussed in the previous video, and like that there is everything which are present outside of us are machines. They all help as the machine. Some are with liver and some are liverless. Actually, without even the simplest machines, many tasks that we do every day would be almost impossible. That is very right. Machines make it easier for human to perform everything from the simplest to the most complicated of tasks. A washing machine, like if someone given us to wash every clothes of in every day, it is quite impossible. But in the machine, in the washing machine, we actually can wash many of our clothes in a one day and a very small time. Also, like the vacuum cleaner, is also help us in our household work to cleaning things properly. The place where from we can't just rub and can't just get out this dust, but the vacuum cleaner can easily do it. As well as if you want to do some very difficult maths in a small time, it's actually impossible. Difficult maths used to take many times to do, but in computer we can make it very easily, and the maths became very easy. And one more very interesting example I can give you that if I draw something, if you draw a picture and I ask you to copy the picture, if you can copy it 100%, no, you can't copy it 100%. You can't draw the exact thing twice, but within a second you can color xerox it, right? You can photocopy it, and you can produce one original like this original and photocopied twice. Within a second, you can get a photocopy of it, and you can make the thousands and the millions of it. Right? So these are the examples of the machine by which our life gets easier. Okay. So there are some utilities of the machine. The first is use of natural force. Like machines have made it possible to harness the force of nature in the service of man. Man can fly in airplanes, connect contains in a second. Electricity can be generated from sun rays, also waterfalls, winds, etc. And these are being made possible only with the help of the machines. So without the help of these machines, we can't actually use the natural forces in our life. The second is heavy and delicate were made simple. Okay. So, if someone told us to lift one load, if we can do it, because the weight is too much, we can't actually lift that much of weight, but the machine can easily do it. So it can works simpler for us. Delicate work also the machines made us for the simple, which are beyond of our imagination, beyond of our muscle capacity. The machine can do it very easily. The third is faster and more accurate. Like we told you, if someone draw one picture and he asks to copy this picture twice or thrice, it will take a lot of time, right? And he or she cannot make the 100% copy of it. But if we can photocopy it by the help of the machines, the exact copy we can produce and in a very small time. So the machine can work very fast and more accurately than people, than human. Okay. The next point is more employment. The introduction of machines in the modern society has created many occupations. It has thus widened the scope of the employment. In this office, there are many kind of posts like the IT professionals who works in the computer. Everywhere, the accounts work as well as the HR works, all are done by the computer. So the work capacity also being increased as well as the more employment can be seen. The next is hazardous work environment. Like the human beings are revealed for all disagreeable and unpleasant jobs in hazardous environment by suitably deploying machines to do the same. Okay, so these machines, when you are using some machines, these are the utilities of the machines. But one more thing is, when you are going to use the machines, you have to know the skills properly. Also, you can't over dependent on it, because in any time it can stop working. So you have to know the skills, you have to know the main machineries in with it, and you have to know how to maintain this properly. Okay, in the next class I will discuss about the types of the machine